Okay, so for today's mods we have from Driven, Halo Driven Racing, it's Halo fuel cap base, and this cool red cap. Nicely packaged. Looks nice, looks like it will match up hopefully really well. Here there's something kind of, I guess it's the screws in there. There's a little instructions. You have 4mm, 3mm. Oh, that's for Honda. Oh yeah, get the Loctite. Alright, looks fairly simple. Has a gasket, O-ring. Yeah, so we'll see how this install goes. They're off to the side, so not as concerned. So now, to actually take this off, you see you can't just pull it right off even though all the bolts are off. You actually have to take the key, open it up. Oh wow, and it actually came right up. Yep. So take this out. Got the whole unit out. It's open now. I can definitely tell there's a good amount of weight in here from that. Definitely feels heavier than this new one here. This is definitely very light. Okay. Here's the base. And the screws. Like that includes black screws. So I guess that's about it. Pretty much. Take these screws out too, because that's another thing. I don't want to drop them in there, and I want to lay it flat, see how it looks. Make sure. Yep. It really shouldn't have to get too tight, and plus it's got the thread locker, so it should hold everything in place. So that's pretty loose, and then just go around, get everything kind of about even. So really tighten things down. Yeah, right there. It should start to get tight right there. It's going to stop. So just want to get to that point. Yep. Don't want to over tighten. Just get to that point where it stops here. And that thread locker, yep, should do its job and keep it in place. And yep. Kind of go over, make sure everything's real snug, very good. Nice and snug. Very good. It's about as tight. So I want to do that. So now the base is pretty much done. The only thing, let's check out the cap. So got this red one. I was hoping it would match up pretty well with the stripes that I have. Yeah, pretty close. This actually might be even a little darker. Let's see. Yeah, pretty close. And it matches up pretty well. Yeah, pretty close. And then this guy, I see it has those things there. So cool. I think it did a little backwards, but it's alright. Yeah, that's cool. Doesn't really matter, I guess. You go either way. And that's done. Nice.